Kafka and microservices for efficient event-driven architecture. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform. It handles high-throughput, fault-tolerant, and scalable real-time data feeds. It allows for creating topics. They act as message brokers for communication between system components. Microservices architecture splits apps into smaller, deployable services. These services communicate via defined APIs. It allows for easier maintenance, scalability, and quicker development cycles. Benefits of using Kafka and microservices together. Efficient communication. By combining Kafka with microservices, businesses can improve their architecture. It will enable efficient communication between its different components. Partitioning and fault tolerance. Kafka partitions topics. This spreads data across multiple nodes. It improves scalability and fault tolerance. In the event of a node failure, Kafka ensures that data is not lost and can be recovered from other nodes in the cluster. Scalability. Both Kafka and microservices are scalable. They let businesses handle increased loads and data volumes. Kafka is distributed. Event-driven design. Kafka and microservices fit well with event-driven architectures. In these, events, not workflows, trigger actions. This design paradigm helps businesses build systems that are reactive, scalable, and resilient. They can adapt easily to changing requirements. Event-driven architectures are particularly valuable in scenarios where real-time responsiveness is crucial. Conclusion. In conclusion, Kafka and microservices give businesses a strong toolset. It lets them build efficient, event-driven architectures.